we are going to see Standard 6th Social Science Term 2 Unit 2 The Constitution of India Book Back Question and Answer. Roman letter 1 choose the correct answer. First one, the Constitution Day is celebrated on dash. Answer November 26. The Constituent Assembly accepted the Constitution of India in the year. Answer 1949. There are dash amendments made in the Constitution of India till 2016. Answer 101. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Answer right to vote. An Indian citizen has the right to vote at dash 18 years. Next, Roman letter 2 fill in the blanks. Dash was selected as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Answer Mr. Rajendra Prasad. The father of the Constitution of India is dash. Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dash products are fundamental rights. Answer law of the country. The Constitution of India came into existence on dash. Answer 26th January 1950. Next, Roman letter 3 match the following. Independence Day. Answer August 15. Republic Day January 26. Constitutional Day of India. Answer November 26. Right to education. Answer April 1. அப்பனா இதில் எது ஆன்சர் அப்படின்னா CDAB அப்படின்னா B ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட். Next, Roman letter 4 answer the questions given under the caption. Constituent Assembly. In which year was the Constituent Assembly formed? 1946. How many members were in the drafting committee? Answer 8. How many women were part of the Constituent Assembly dash? Answer 15. When was the Constitution of India completed? 26th November 1949. Roman letter 5 answer the following questions. First one, why was January 26 adopted as the Republic Day? Answer, the members of the Congress unofficially declared in 1929 the day as the day of Purna Swaraj. The next year, 26th January 1930 was celebrated as Independence Day. That day has been observed as our Republic Day. Second one, what is the Constitution of India? Answer, the Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles and laws of a country. It also defines the rights and duties of citizens. Third one, list out the special features of the Constitution of India. Answer, the Constitution of India is the ultimate law. It explains the fundamental concepts of structure, methods, powers and the duties of government bodies. It also lists the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens. Directive principles are also mentioned in the Constitution. It is holistic in nature. Fourth one, what are the fundamental rights? Answer, fundamental rights are the basic human rights of all citizens. There are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation அப்படின்னா சுரண்டுதல், right of freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Fifth one, list out the fundamental duties that you would like to fulfill. Answer, respecting the national flag and national anthem. Readiness அப்படின்னா தயார் நிலை, to serve our country if necessary. Respect and protect our constitution, to avoid non-violence and protect government property. Providing educational opportunities to children between 6 to 14 years. Sixth one, what is preamble? Preamble அப்படின்னா முன்னுரை. Answer, the purpose of the constitution is the preamble. Seventh one, what do you understand by liberty, equality and fraternity? Answer, liberty represents freedom. It is an opportunity to able to express one's own beliefs without fear. Equality can stand for being equal in law, status, rights, respect, opportunities and privileges. Fraternity mean the quality of being brothers or brotherly. Next, eighth one, define sovereign. Answer, an independent country not subject to any external power or influence. Thank you for watching.